Pula hian elephant cave ah kan awm mek ani a tha khawp mai hei sai ho hi elephant cave ah kan awm a
Two or three important things I tell you. Whether it was able to protrude the tongue out.
No.
He cannot protrude tongue out. And he is standing here now. When he is feeding, what he will do is he will stand in between the. See, he will not stand inside. See, it will lift like this. But trunk is took mapa. Mariana. So he will stand like that, and then he will go in between the Savasana. So he will stand in between the trunk and then he will feel like this. See, that is very important because that is one way of reinforcement. He cannot put the trunk down. I will be going there and examining it. And they cannot protrude the tongue out. Remember, you all can protrude the tongue out.
a lian khawp mai
They cannot eat the wood.
chon pe mek ani
You are not hearing yet.
so mi hring thaw ani la a len zia chu
You will pick the wood. You are not hearing. I will say to know that I have to ask you that. I ask you. So you are clear. Out, downward, then coming like this and like this. So the benefit is it can stand like this and counter anybody. If it is going down, lift the leg face and then you may not be able to see. Here you can focus and then yeah.
58 years old
60. Sir, this is
58 58
Doctor sir from my sir from my request kept sir. From my request kept sir.
his name is Kalim
Kalim, yes.
58
Day before yesterday we saw, no?
58 years old
58 years.
Sir, from my request kept sir.
Yeah. So there's a good question. You are from
Assam.
Assam. The Baya is very good because it is captured from Satyamangalam, Eastern Ghats area. Eastern Ghats, Mysore.
He is telling he is coming, I should feed him, otherwise you will feel bad. This is the picture.
so nice man yeah this video even I like that sugar cane I like sugar cane yeah.
If it stop the ear means you should start running. Understand this?
So if it's
Stop. Then he is stop. It is spanning, no, is cool. Then it will stop. Raise the tail. That means on your mark.
Ini stop pun sudah seperti behind isi bahasa itu pola tu. Ini.
a lian khawp mai pe an dan hiam ve thin hi an thun hiam tir thin hi
Poisonous it will be lesser. But Shivagami is 72. 70. Shivagami is 72. Vijayalakshmi is 69. Sarla is 60.
Perla
This 5.5 tons. I'm only 50 kilos. Breaking trunk, even put on like that is gone. Even small ones like this, things are gone. I have seen him, he never, some of the committees, not only himself, he along with Nanjan, Waiting is an important activity wherein you can give, wherein you are exploring out your relationship commitment. Not only that, you also observe very closely. Around say, you can see other Wait.
Oh, see, they're behaving like babies, just lying down on the water. Peter, yes. Wherever Peter goes, he becomes very serious. You want to go and have bath? Then go. How it falls. Just like baby rolling. Okay, at first they apply mud and then they clean the mud with using brush. Okay, the brush is like very rough brush. This is not the type of brush we use in our body. He will understand that by the movement of its trunk. If it is putting the trunk gently into the river bed, it means it is liking it. No, he's also enjoying. Even after 1 year. It means if Papuri touches the elephant, it will not like it. But if Silo and Peter touches it, it will like them. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's. Shall we go? They might have to. Oh. Bjørn så på med. Oh. Bjørn foto. Det er foto kan lalo. Please give me food. Try on this side. It's a big one. Papuri so Russia.
How much effort is required to split it?
Oh.
So unless it is being split, what happens? See, if it is not split, what happens is there will be uncooked item, and what will happen? There will cause holy come right. Now 1 or 2 can come.
Come on, Mugundan. The strong man should come on. This is an elephant food.
So this is for making. This thing is very important. Morning and evening, yes, please. Here people come in rotation, and then they try to do it.
Sir, it is made of what, sir?
So what is put inside?
This is ragi, yes.
Ragi.
It's the mist and the
You have rice. And already you have
let me try.
hot gas. There you have pulses, grams, and you have all these items. Pulses,
Let me
grams,
try.
and
Oh, take a video of me.
Fat requirements, mineral requirements, everything being taken care of. They're fine, fine. So we have to
Close meron ka nang kalamaya. Kaya makalula sa mga.
Wait, Peter.
Oh, bien Saito chop.
I also want to take you this video. No? Peter, the strong man of Cascos. Oh my God.
We need space. We need space. Saito chop meron eh.
rotation, they have to come on duty and then they will make this thing.
Go and try. This is a lifetime experience, man.
Water quality, and then pouring is not that simple. And as I told you, unless they mix it thoroughly, unless they are self-conscious, sometimes, as I told you, if they are not mixing it properly, and then it becomes animal they develop.
That is the same.